What's poppin' YouTube? Y'all already know the vibes, man. It's GriMzvX, but let's get straight into it. This is the best WSP-9 class setup in Warzone right now. So take a screenshot of the class, and I got a fire gameplay for you guys. Comment, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. If you guys have any questions about guns, the video, anything that has to do with Call of Duty, just comment down below, and I appreciate all the support I've been getting. Enjoy the rest of the gameplay. I'm out. Behind me, I just got... Nah, he... This is a Sweatington, bruh. I'm down to hit... I'm going from one side, you're going from the other. What? I got him. Pick me up. We'll go to the black site team. No! He almost shitted on me. Oh my god, he almost shitted on me. I should have died. Behind me. First floor. Yo, I swear, has this ever happened to you where like you don't want to push from an obvious spot because you think like they're gonna know that spot, so you try to do a crazy play to outsmart them, and then they're in the dumbest shit when you try to outsmart them, and then that shit just goes wrong? That's basically how I died, bro. I basically did a crazy jump spot onto the balcony, and he was just right there in the corner and just turned and saw me, bro. Yeah. Nah, that's actually honestly amazing. And bro, sometimes certain times, bro, you'll shoot somebody and the combat scout won't work. It works only sometimes. Like there's times where you will shoot a person and then they'll throw a smoke and I see them through the smoke because the combat scout pinged them. And then there's other times where you'll shoot and I literally see you shooting at them and it doesn't ping. Oh yeah, cold blood, I forgot. You're right. This one? Down one. These niggas are beam stars. I'm throwing this plate box down. I need it.
He had the fire shotty too. I got a flare. Oh. One of his team is flying in. Someone just flew in. One shot. He's one shot. I just got precisioned. I'm moving down, I'm moving down. One shot on me, please. To my left, can you look left? That's who I was talking about. Yeah, here. Damn, I need his smokes. Nah, that's your ping. I'm watching. Damn, you whiffed that from me. Nah, we're good. We can rotate back. Can you take your ping out? Like on the map? Like go to your map, zoom in and take, yeah. One second floor, one's rooftop. I down another one, they're both dead, they're both down. They're selfing. Look at you taking my kills, bruh.
There they are. Hell and back. Nicely done. Target-rich environment out there, yeah? Time for assessment.
One more. Oh my god, that guy was a bot. Nah, bro. Y'all should have seen the dude I killed, bro. Yo. Oh, one's flying in. I'm gonna beam him. I got him. Oh, wait, Shotty. I'm gonna fucking kill you, bro. I'm gonna kill you. Yeah, up top. Somebody get a UAV or reload. We got enough. No. Once I make it up this hill. Go ahead. Yeah. Last dude's under me. I'm about to kill him. I got him. His teammate's landing. I got him. 3 kill from me. Wow. V-Lone stole it after I called it. Oh, I see him. I see him. Flare. Mad people, cargo. Wow, some dude just landed right? Yeah, I'm landing on him. He's on me right now. No, I'm dead. Is he in this building? Oh no, alright, I'm going back then. Oh, there's another one rotating across. Free peek for me. I don't. Down one, down one. Team wipe. And I got a munitions and mad plates. Let's go. Oh shit! There's a nigga on fire station, like literally all the way up top. Yeah, there's 2 teams over there. Oh, TT behind me. Full team. Under me now. Flares and shit. Another flare on me. Pick that up. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Down one. There's more rotating. Alright, come on. There's two. One's in the backside. Jailbreak, oh my god. It's a crazy game. There's a team right here. I just threw it down. Fuck, I just threw munitions down. There's a team to my left. One just made it inside this building. Can we push it together? Oh, on me. Shit it on. Wow. Mad people in the sky. Hold on. On me, on me, on me. One shot, one shot. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Just flare me, bro. I gotta come back. I gotta flare my body too. One dude's coming back, one dude's coming back. He just flared somebody. Hold on, hold on. I'm getting looked at. Huh? Last one in the water, maybe? He jumped in water. I got him. I made him one shot. Nah, I got the kill. I could have had 30. Look at my damage. 24, bro. I got a lot of kills still in the beginning. It's all good, though.